In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add thanks and regards to your email signature in both new and existing signatures on Outlook. This is a really useful skill for making your emails look professional and courteous. By the end of this video, you'll be able to enhance your email signatures with ease, setting the right tone for your communication. Let's start by opening up Microsoft Outlook. To do this, simply go to your browser and navigate to the Outlook website. It's important to remember, with every step we take, we're working toward creating a more polished communication tool that reflects your professionalism. Once you've reached the Outlook homepage, you'll need to sign into your account. If you're not already signed in, you'll notice a sign in button located at the top right corner of your screen. Go ahead and click this button. After clicking the sign in button, you'll be prompted to enter your email address and password. This is your usual Outlook sign in page, so just enter your credentials, sign in, and you'll find yourself on the Outlook dashboard. Now let's move to the settings. What you're going to do next is look towards the top right corner of your screen again, where you'll find the settings icon. It usually looks like a little gear. Click on it and this will bring up a drop down menu. In the drop down menu, locate the option that says account. Clicking on this will navigate you to a new page where you can access various account settings. Among these options, you'll see one labeled Signatures. This is where we're going to work our magic. Click on Signatures and it will present you with all your existing email signatures and also the option to create a new one if desired. Now, if you're modifying an existing signature or creating a new one, simply navigate to the body of the signature and type thanks and regards or any other closing phrase you wish to add. This step is crucial as it completes your email with a polite closure, reminding your recipients of your courteousness. After you've added thanks and regards in the signature body, the last thing to do is save your work. You'll notice a save button, usually located conveniently within the signatures editor. Click this to ensure all the changes you have made are preserved. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully updated your email signature, adding a touch of professionalism and warmth. This simple touch can make a significant difference in how your emails are perceived by colleagues and recipients alike. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and feel confident in setting up and enhancing your email signatures in Outlook. Thank you for tuning in and see you in the next video.